Hey guys, it's me. I've had a lot of questions and comments and private messages asking me how I make my smoothies, so I thought I would do a couple of videos just to kind of address all of those questions. This first one is going to be kind of a little quick tutorial on how to make spinach pops or spinach ice cubes. And these are great because you can use up all of your spinach. You can get it in bulk. You can get this big thing of it. When you blend it with water and pour it into ice trays, you can make little ice cubes, pop them into a frozen, or a plastic bag that can go in the freezer or a freezer bag. And then when you're making your smoothies in the morning, you don't have to worry about, taking out your spinach and it going bad. It's already frozen and it's already all iced and ready to go, so you don't even have to add extra ice to your smoothie. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you what you need. The first thing you're going to need is obviously spinach. I have this big thing of organic baby spinach from Albertsons, I believe. I mean, you can get your spinach anywhere. And it does say that it's triple washed, so it should be all clean and ready to go. Shouldn't have to wash it or anything. Then I also have 2 cups of water, just in a little measuring cup. I have 2 ice cube trays. And then obviously you need a blender to blend it all together. So I'm going to just kind of show you guys how much I fill up with spinach and water, and then we'll blend and you'll get to kind of see the process. Alright guys, so this is my blender when it's full of spinach. I just took 2 heaping handfuls and it filled up my blender. Obviously everyone's blender is going to be different sizes and shapes, but just try to fill it up to the edge. And next I'm going to add my water. So like I said, I have about 2 cups. Just going to pour that in. So once you have your spinach and your 2 cups of water in your blender, you're going to go ahead and click, whatever button you use. I'm going to click the smoothie button, so it's going to be loud. All right. So as you can see, it's very, very watery. I can definitely add a little bit more spinach at this point. Now this will be the last, this is going to be half of the container. This will be exactly half of the container. So I'm going to fill that up, stuff it in there, make sure it gets in there. Lid on, this will be the last round. Alright, so now I've used half of the container of the spinach and blended it with 2 cups of water, and it's pretty much almost full and it's very green in color. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour it into the ice cube trays. Okay, so let me go ahead and pour it in. It doesn't have to be perfect. These are just going to be frozen and they're just going to be thrown into your smoothie, so don't worry about, if you get it exactly in the little container perfectly. But try to fill them up. Doesn't that look delicious? Yeah, maybe not. Just kind of topping them off a little bit. So some of them are a little more full than others. And like I said, that's fine because it is all just going to freeze in your freezer and they'll be able to pop out. So I'm going to let that sit for a minute, just kind of let some of the air bubbles pop out, and then I'll stick that in the freezer and I'll show you guys in a few hours what it looks like when it's all frozen. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I just took my spinach ice cubes out of the freezer. They were sitting for a few hours and this is what they look like. I already cracked the tray, so let me take one out. They just look like a regular ice cube. So you can pop them up and put them into a freezer bag and just store them in the freezer and pop a couple in to your smoothies or however many you like. You can start with 1 or 2 and then add more if you get used to the taste, but it's just an extra way to pack in, some more vitamins and minerals into your day in the morning. So anyway guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and maybe I'll do a video on how I use them in my smoothies next. All right, have a great day.